how to update Trust Wallet app. Are you guys facing issues to get a new update on Trust Wallet app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Play Store on your mobile device. Once you open up the app, now look at the bottom of your screen where you can see your search icon. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, now click on search bar and search for Trust Wallet. Once you search for it, now click on second option where you can see the icon for Trust Wallet app. Click on it. You can see the option for update. You are looking to update, right? Just simply tap on update. Your app will be updated. And that's it, guys. That's how we're gonna update Trust Wallet app on your mobile devices. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.